Hello everyone. Lily here, and welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In today's video, I'll walk you through how to see who viewed your TikTok profile. Let's get started because it's simple and quick. Okay, so TikTok decided to introduce this new feature, which allows users to see who has viewed their profile. So, while this feature was most likely introduced in early 2022, it still isn't accessible to a large number of users. So TikTok is actively working on making it available in many other regions. Well, since I have this feature, I'll teach you how to use it. The very first step is to open your TikTok app and then just go directly to your TikTok profile. If you simply tap on these three lines in the upper right corner of your screen and just go to your settings and privacy, you will not find the new feature right here. Now simply return to your profile and look at the top of the page. As you can see, there is an eye icon at the very top. You'll be able to see your TikTok profile views if you just go ahead and tap on that. People who may have viewed your account in the last 30 days will be listed here. So far, no one has visited my profile. That is because I have only recently begun using the feature and have yet to get any profile visitors. I'll be able to easily find them here once I start having profile visitors. Now, let's go to the top right-hand corner and select the Settings button, and from there, you can either turn off or keep this feature on. If you don't want to know who has visited your profile or who has viewed your profile, simply disable this option. If you disable the feature, you simply won't be able to see your profile visitors. So let me return to my profile and click the icon once more. It will then request that I turn it on. If you enable it, you will be able to see your profile visits from the previous 30 days. Now, I hope you get this feature in your TikTok app, but just don't worry if you don't. TikTok is still pushing out this feature to users worldwide, so you should have yours shortly and be able to start using it. I hope you found this video useful. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching.